Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make shepherd's pie and chicken pot pie. It's January. You have no money left. You spent it on things no one needs. Okay, no problem. You need to eat the good stuff. Okay, winter's settled in and it's time for the good stuff. We're going to have shepherd's pie versus chicken pot pie. You tell me which is better. All right, let's at it. First things first, potatoes. Again, try not to splatter yourself. And while those potatoes are cooking, get all your vegetables prepped because you're going to need to. All right. 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 cup of milk. Mash, 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 mash. Skin on. That's how we like it. We're on it. Onions and carrots. And then, of course, beans, corn, beef. Add flour. And then a little red wine and water. And when it's ready, add the red peppers. Stir it up. Dump it in. And then, of course, cheddar cheese, mashed potatoes, flatten it all out, and then into the oven. 4 cups of pastry dough, 1 cup of water, and then a couple of ounces of oil. I use sunflower oil. And then add water to make it the way it is. And then get it ready to finger fold, finger fold, finger fold, finger. After you've kneaded it out and split it in 2, you know it's time. Roll, 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 flip it over, make your pastry dough, poke your holes in it, and here it is coming out of the oven. Look at that beautiful dish. Okay, lattice time. We're going to lattice this up. Little quickie for you, but this is how it's done. You want to interlock your lattice like you're weaving something. This is a proper lattice, okay? Other lattices, are wrong. This is how it's done. Okay, now that that's ready, we're going to fill up the pie crust. Looking good. Lattice time. Cut it around the edges. Pinch it down. And then into the oven. It's January and you need some good food in your belly. Chicken pot pie. Looking good. And then, of course, shepherd's pie. Chicken and beef, it's your choice. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.